Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe and nothing's better than chips and salsa. Connor showed you how to make homemade salsa earlier this week, so now it's my turn. So get ready for some homemade tortilla chips. Let's get into it. First thing you need for tortilla chips? Some tortillas. Grab your favorite corn tortillas. I have these smaller street taco size, but any size will do. Now take your tortillas and cut them into your desired chip size and shape. Grab a large baking sheet and line it with foil. Lay each chip flat on the baking sheet so that none are overlapping. Now in a small bowl, whisk together vegetable oil and a little bit of lime juice. You don't need too much, we want these chips to have only a hint of lime. Now take a pastry brush and lightly brush the oil across the chips. Top them off with a good pinch of sea salt. Flip the chips over and repeat the process of brushing on the oil and sprinkling on some salt. Place the tray into a 350-degree oven and bake for 10 minutes. Then carefully flip each chip over and return to the oven. Bake for another 5 to 10 minutes until the chips are to your desired crunch. Watch them carefully after that 5-minute mark. They cook quick after that. Remove the chips from the oven and transfer them to a paper towel-lined plate. I do this to soak up any oil while the chips cool down. With our chips cool and crunchy, let's grab some salsa and plate this dish. And of course we have to dip it in that fresh salsa that Connor made. There's a really good crunch to our chips and they have such a nice little hint of lime in there, and the salt is obviously amazing. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what your favorite chip dips are down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
I'll take it.